Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. So glad you decided to join me today. I have some happy mail. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's open up my first package, and it's from City Girl Planner. So if you've been here for a while, you have heard me talking about blackout planning, how I miss it, and how I want to get back to it. Well, after months of thinking, trying to decide what I want to do for 2025, I've decided to go to personal size planner as well as my pocket agenda for 2025. And in this video, I am showing you guys my 2025 planner inserts. And with this agenda cover right here from Cloth and Paper, I want to make this agenda as my blackout planner. So first I'm starting off with these inserts. It's absolutely great quality and I'm looking forward to utilizing them. I have ordered additional blackout planner inserts, and when I get those inserts I will add them in along with the dashboards I purchased. And I think I'm going to make some dashboards. I'm not sure, but I wanted this to be my blackout planner. So have you made any decisions on what planner or agenda you plan to utilize for 2025 yet? So I did purchase two LV agenda inserts. There are both in different sizes because I have different sizes LV agendas. And the smaller agenda that I got, I'm planning on keeping that one in my purse because it's compact. But I will be able to jot down more in the LV Agenda MM planner inserts. So I was about to order my inserts from the website, but somebody told me not to, and I am so glad I did because I would have ordered a 2024, one 2024, and one 2025, but my private client advisor that I have, he placed the order for me and got me straight, make sure I had both 2025, and I'm greatly appreciated for that. So let me get my agendas so I can add the inserts to them. So here's my LV Pocket Agenda, which I got an insert for. This is the one that I would keep in my purse because it's compact and I can include my cards in it as well. And I absolutely love this little pocket agenda cover. Absolutely love it. So I do love the LV Agenda PM. I love the PM, but I do love the inserts, the daily inserts for the PM. But the only thing about the LV Agenda PM, the rings are just so tiny. They're so tiny. That's my only thing with the PM. It's extremely tiny. And you really can't put a whole lot in the PM agenda, the ring agenda. So I am in my crossbody handbag phase right now, and this pocket agenda right here is compact and small. And that's why I got it, because it can fit into all my little small purses. I'm not in my big bag phase right now like I used to be when I had to have a huge bag and have so much things in it. But right now I just love crossbodies, and this would be perfect for every day. Like if I have to jot something down, some reminders. And that's why I got the pocket agenda inserts for 2025. Okay, so now let's go to the personal read planner. I do need to set this up. These are dashboards and inserts I've had in this planner for a few years. I haven't been utilizing the LV Agenda, so I do want to start utilizing it in 2025. So that's why I got the inserts, because I wanted to take a little break from the discount. I do love discount, but I want to do something different for 2025. So once I get all of my different dashboards and inserts for my 2025 set up, I would either do a video, plan with me as I set up the planner, or just do a flip through to share my setup for 2025. Not sure which one I would do yet, but I'm still ordering a few more things. I have a general idea of what I want, but I haven't found it yet, so I'm still in search trying to decide what to add. Because like for this agenda right here, I have to decide if I want to keep the inserts that I already have in this planner. And also with the dashboards, do I want to change out some things? So, but I still have time to finalize and decide how I want to set this planner up. So with these blackout inserts, I definitely need to move this to my other agenda, since that planner is my blackout theme. These blackout inserts look so pretty in this green agenda. And it's making me love this agenda. And I think it's going to turn out great with the blackout. Because I want everything in this one to have the blackout pages. And just looking at that, I absolutely love it. Well guys, that's it for my 2025 inserts. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And have an awesome day. Toodles!